Well, the old folks used to put them in there to keep the spider webs out of them when they hung them up on the walls where they had in the fiddle cases. Spiders would web in there and den in there, and them snake rattlers would keep them cut out, you know. Some folks claimed, you know, it made the fiddle sound better. You know, the snake would be a charm in the fiddle, you know. Mm-hmm. See, the fiddle's called the devil's instrument anyhow, so I've been told. But I never did believe that. Corn, whiskey, and pretty women, they've been my downfall. Beat me and bang me, but I love them for all. I shoot as all tore up, my toes are sticking out. Don't get some corn whiskey, I'm a-going up the spout. Gonna eat when I'm hungry, I'm gonna drink when I'm dry, and if I get to feeling much better, I'm gonna sprout wings and fly. Jack diamonds, I know you from old. Drop my poor pockets of silver and gold. If the ocean was whiskey and I was a duck, I'd dive to the bottom, Lord, and never come up. But now the ocean's not whiskey, no, I ain't no duck. Let's play these drunken hiccups and trust to my luck. I think I made that in about to eat when I'm hungry and drink when I'm dry. Get the feeling much better, gonna sprout wings and fly. I think I put that to it.